Hello friends, today I would like to introduce you to a new kind of business. It is called free to you. It is a new concept where two parties in business transact free of cost and both the parties will benefit from the business transaction. Now you will be interested to know why free to you. Using automation and artificial intelligence along with use of technology, now it is easy for business people to meet and communicate and conclude the transaction. Now we will be interested to know why free to you. Free to you will connect buyer and seller using automated chatbots and reward both the parties in business for transacting free of cost. Now you will be interested how F2E is different. New technology cannot be told. You have to experience. So visit our chatbot and experience how it is different. Friends, using traditional method for doing business is really risky. You do not have any certain outcomes because business changes every day. Using automation, new technology in business will kicks out all the uncertainties. It works like a magic. You have clear cut outcome because the automated system will run 24 hours in cloud. It is connected with the chatbots. You can program whole sales process using chatbots, and chatbots will collect in cloud environment all the data and will provide you the report, and that report will help you in getting the business information. Old method of business is always difficult. Using new method you can earn profit. Old method it will work in uncertainty and you do not have this outcome. Now use technology for your benefit. F2 uses blockchain technology for doing business. You can use Club Token for creating virtual clubs in cloud. It also has a reward system by way of club credit tokens, and you can get club credit once you conclude the business transaction in the clubs. Deploy business using new technology. You can run profitable virtual businesses in cloud environment and also start earning profit. You have the global audience for providing services and there is big number of people attending it. Start running any kind of business using active chatbots. You can provide any kind of services, coaching service, video service, all this can be provided work from home based transactions. Start providing content service to audience, video service to people, any kind of service. Business using cloud technology will sure shot your business to global audience. Crypto reward system will change the business. The rewards can be used for making automated business transactions. So this will be always in demand because people who are interested in running this kind of business will usually take back the club credit from you for a good amount. Start using automation and artificial intelligence for your business. Visit FTU Club for more details.